Let's fucking go, let's fucking go. Okay, so in system index, we have the 78th system, which is BOMTHOT, common code used by BOMHARD and BOMSIMP. Then down here in constant macros by system, we have stubbed in the BOMTHOT constants. Then within data by system, we have stubbed in the BOMTHOT data. And then down here is where the BOMTHOT functions will go when we start creating them. So right down here in BOMHARD, we have a misspelling of this function here. BOMHARD simulation put a fata tile into the tile map using this 4-dimensional address. These names appear in the same order right here, except they have an I in front of them. This code is not to be used by the core simulation code. It is not efficient enough. We're going to strip off the I's and carry this over here, and then we're going to call the BOMTHOT simulation putter that is a common putter used by both BOMHARD and BOMSIMP. Now this function doesn't exist yet. We need to create it in the next video. We're going to pass all these parameters in the correct order. You can see they're lined up, so we're not missing any, and they're in the correct order. And then eventually we may have to update some type of BOMHARD specific data structure like a linked list to make sure the simulation is still running correctly. So let's go down to the next section. Okay, BOMSIMP. So in BOMSIMP, I made a mistake here and I fixed it. It was a syntax error. Actually, no, I'm lying. There's not a syntax error. This is just a monkey wrench macro for a misspelling of this. So this is BOMSIMP. Simulation putter, put a fata tile into the tile map at this 4-dimensional address, and then here's that 4-dimensional address again with I for input in front of these, and the parameters appear in the same order as they appear here. Okay, so this is not to be called by the core simulation code. We're going to strip off the I, carry it over to here, so that when we call the common BOMTHOT helper function, we can see that we have all the parameters we need, and they're being stacked in the correct order, right? Okay, and then down here, if we need to update any specific data structures, that will go here. Okay, then in BOMAuth, here's where we made the syntax error. It's now fixed. And then in our simulation putter, we're putting a fata tile into the tile map at this 4-dimensional address. Right here, we have some shorthand references to the simulation mode, and then simple mode, hard mode, and then a hard put function pointer, simple put function pointer. And if we are in hard mode, we're going to call the hard putter. And if we are in the simple mode, we're going to call the simple putter with the same parameters, right? Okay, so that's it. So if you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go here because we do not have time on the fast playlist. Source code is here, ways of getting a hold of me. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch.